우리가 새 배웠어요.
تعلمنا على العصافير.
私たちは鳥について学びました。
Aprendimos sobre pájaros.
Did Gio know that there's only one person maintaining Scarlett Woods?
He made a video asking us to help him enhance the bird habitat in Scarlett Woods.
My name is Manfred Schmidt. I am actually from Germany. With your help and with your energy, we can preserve the woods for a generation to come.
We had a lot of work to do in 3 weeks.
To begin with, we asked ourselves, what's the 4 components of a habitat?
How do experts in our community create, maintain, and enhance the habitat for animals?
First, we'll learn about the 4 components of the habitat.
Hood, weather, cover, space.
We visited the Research Conservancy.
We analyzed animal habitats. We visited the Leslie Science Center. My favorite bird of prey was the American kestrel because it was so cute.
My favorite bird of prey was the eagle because it's big and colorful.
We took a hike on Black Pond.
After that, we analyzed the bird habitat in Scarlett Woods.
Now that we were habitat experts, we learned all about birds so we could enhance the habitat.
We learned about bird adaptations. We learned about migration.
Stop in your shrinking habitat. Go through the Gulf of Mexico. Watch out for the storm. Go around the window.
One obstacle that birds face during migration is shrinking habitat.
We decided to make a green space at Scarlett Woods for migrating birds.
We learned about the bird breeding cycle.
To help birds survive, we made bird houses.
While we were learning about birds, we were also thinking about how to convince community members to get involved.
Manfred asked us to do 3 things.
Please help me do the 3 things. Share your experience in the woods.
So we wrote our narratives to show our visit to nature.
I wrote about walking through Scarlett Woods.
I wrote about the trip to Leslie Science Center.
I wrote about the bird migration obstacle course.
I wrote about the animals in the Creature Conservancy.
I wrote about bird watching in the Scarlett Woods.
We used descriptive language to show, not tell.
We used dialogue to make the writing interesting.
We use transition phrases to organize our stories with a beginning, middle, and end.
Second, to share, learn the birds and the science, what you will learn in the woods.
So we wrote informational text to teach you what we learned.
I wrote about the 4 components of habitat in Leslie. Food, water, space, and cover.
We wrote about Bertha Caceres, an environmental activist
Who helped the river? I wrote about native plants that will thrive in Scarlett Woods and help birds survive.
We use text features.
We use heading to review our ideas.
I used a caption to tell about the peregrine falcon.
Third, convince the community and your parents to help us.
We wrote persuasive text.
We organize our text with claims, evidence, and reasoning.
I want to convince you plant native plants.
I want to convince you to build bird boxes.
We want you to be involved.
as if we weren't busy enough.
We did a service project in Scarlett Woods.
First, we analyzed the growing conditions in Scarlett Woods.
We researched what plants would thrive in the Scarlett Woods. And of course, plants that would help our birds.
This plant will thrive here because it needs a lot of sun and dry soil.
We also made a sign so people know about bird habitat.
To remind people to take care of the habitat.
The older kids taught the younger kids how to plant flowers and trees and how to mulch a path.
So, what do you think it should look like, sound like, and feel like when we are planting flowers?
All the plants we chose are native plants. Say that word with me, native.
It was hard work, but a lot of fun.
We can't wait to share all the work we did this summer.
After this video,
Come to our class for a formal presentation.
At 7 o'clock, come outside to see us informally present our brochures.
Here are some questions you can ask us.
tell me about yourself.
احكي لي عن نفسك.
What did you learn this summer?
¿Qué aprendiste este verano? What is one experience that you want to share with me? What do you want to teach me?
¿Qué quieres enseñarme?
How should I help?
كيف يجب أن نساعد?
What part of your brochure do you like of? At 7:20, we will have a dedication for our bird habitat.
And you can always say, I was the person what helped to preserve the woods.
What